Hello everyone, my name is Tina, and today I'm going to present to you all about one of the most potential innovations for the future of food, which is 3D printed food. So nowadays, 3D printing technology is very popular. A 3D printer can create everything and even construct building. But have you ever wondered if it can make food? The answer is yes. I'll start with some general information of 3D printed food. First of all, those are layers of ingredients made by using additive manufacturing techniques. This is the first multi-materials 3D food printer called Fab at Home, which invented by researchers at Columbia University's Creative Machines Lab in 2007. It looks complicated, right? So now let's moving on to the next section to learn about how does it work. So as I've mentioned, 3D food printing technology based on additive manufacturing techniques including extrusion, binder jetting, and laser sintering. First, I will show you the extrusion. Here is the structure inside an extrusion system, and this is a syringe. We can say that they look the same. Okay, imagine the water inside the syringe is the liquid material, and there is a ram that uses force to push the products out like this. Here? Yeah. This is the system on the outside. The extrusion systems will push the liquid materials through the printer nozzles to lay down layer after layer and eventually become a 3D shape. I guess you are wondering how the materials are put into the tubes. Actually, the ingredients used to print the food have to be blended or processed into a suitable consistency, for example, smooth paste, liquid, or powder. And then when all the materials are prepared, they are ready to go. The next technique that we have is binder jetting. So binder jetting is a process where a liquid binder is used to harden each powdered substrate layer. So look at this photo. This is the step-by-step process of binder jetting. Step 1, we'll need to transfer CAD data. I will talk about this thing later. Step 2, apply the powder. Step 3, selectively add the binder in a shape like this, for example. And step 4, lower the building platform, and then keep repeating all those steps until finishing the foam shape. And in the last step, we need to remove all the unbound powder. And then, yeah, we have the print food. I cannot find the one for the food. Yeah. Okay. So finally, I will show you the laser sintering process. This process quite resembles the binder jetting process, but it uses laser instead to heat and bond the powder materials and form a solid structure. Yeah. Okay, go back to the extrusion technique. Here are some key components of 3D printed foods ingredients. First, purees and pastes, hydrocolloids and gels, powder-based ingredients, proteins and meat substitutes, sugar and chocolate, dough, batter, and fats and oil. So to sum up, many types of food can be printed, and there are even different machines for each kind. For example, this is a 3D food printer for proteins and meat substitutes, invented by a company called Revo Foods. Here are their products, and this is their machine. So the machine have a screen on its body, which you can choose the types of meat and which you can choose the types of meat and customize the nutrients based on your need. Here I choose salmon. Okay, so the printer will imitate the textures of the meat and provide the nutrients based on your choice.
You look like
No.
salmon. Okay.
Okay. Another example is this Emu's chocolate printer. It also have a screen on its body, and to make a chocolate in interesting shapes, we first have to put the normal shaped chocolate inside the machine's containers, and then it will melt the chocolate while we are using the shape for it. Here we have a chocolate house. Yeah, it looks cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Delicious. Cute. I don't know about the taste.
It tastes like normal chocolate, for sure. Okay, now I would like to present about the process of making 3D printed food. So before printing a food, you must have a digital CAD, computer-aided design file, that including the model and the sliding model like this, consistency, size, and other details of the printed food. So the printer will follow full instructions. I'm sorry. So the printer will follow full instructions in the file and to form the desired food shape. Yeah.
Okay.
And now I have an extended point for you. Now 3D food printers still have to be cooked in traditional ways. So a solution from researchers at the Creative Machines Lab is adding laser into 3D food printer, and I think this will be positive. Yeah, so it's the future. So now we have to wait. And now is the turn for my partner, Yi.
Before your partner came,